Hello, YouTube frogs. Today we are going to learn how to make this transition. To make this type of transition, your clips has to be longer. It as usually skips one beat. So let's start. Add motion tile and 3 null to your clip. Make a simple zoom out transition. Set the value 350 to 100 and make a graph like me. Go at least 6 frames and change the scale value 100 to 160. And make a similar graph. You can change the graphs however you see fit. And make a simple zoom out transition. That's the transition part. Now let's start with the position shake. Open position and rotation. Separate the position dimension. Go back like 6 frames and change the X value to 200 and Y value to -100. Again, go back around 10 frames and change the rotation value to -4. From the middle, go forward around 8 frames and change the X value to -80 and Y to 50. Again, from the middle, go 6 frames backward and change the rotation value to 1. From the end of the clip, go like 9 frames and change the X value to 315 and Y to -100. From there, go another 7 frames and forward and change the rotation value to -3. Now select all the keyframes and press F9 to ease all the keyframes. Now add S shake and change the values like me. Add a keyframe for amplitude and change the value from 5 to 0.7. And change the graph like me. You can adjust the graphs however you see fit. That's it. Thanks for watching.